Hi there. Today I'm building a simple profile page for an interior designer to showcase her work in a marketplace app. In this video, I'll be using the Canvas building framework template as a foundation, along with the sidebar profile page, 2-column slideshow grid tiles list, multimedia slideshow pop-up, 2-column text link image and description list. First, let me run the extension and add the page template. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the blocks. Now I'm going to make some design tweaks to the components. I'm also going to start connecting them to the database. To further customize the design, I'm going to change the default font. And here we go. This is what the final product looks like.